Binance. So, just full transparency, this is not my trading account. This is the simple online wealth education Binance account. What we're showing today is just your basic exchange. So today we're going to True USD. And we'll search in here, Bitcoin, we're parking. So no need to do a limit for this, just markets is fine. And 100%, quick and easy, just like that. You see the history is filled. I got some Ethereum, right? No different. And park it. So you can do different ones. Oh, this is new. You seen this, Brody?
What's that?
OCO.
Oh,
It's new?
nice. Cool. Yeah, that must be a new trading feature they have there.
Yeah. They're making, I like Binance, man. They've treated me well.
They're making it so that you can kind of do a more techier trade that, like from what I just kind of read there, looks like they're trying to let you be able to do a little bit more of an advanced trade that normally you'd have to be like sitting at the ticker monitoring, where like it can manage some of those highs and lows for you and make the best use to give you your best trade. But yeah, I got to read into that more. OCO.
Yeah, they've got all sorts of stuff, like 15% annualized.
Nice.
Yeah. That's it for trading, like super easy. So the point of doing True USD is it is pegged to the US dollar. So with our trading here, the Marius report this afternoon, we're expecting a 20% drop. So funds have been parked, so that way we can buy back in at the low. So, you know, same kind of thing when you go to buy back. When I go to pick up Litecoin at $58 here, just come to market. I would just use market. If I'm just buying swing trade, if you're like getting hardcore, you can set your prices. But trading purposes, use market. 100%. 100% buy. That's it. Quick and easy. What was the other questions that we had?
We had, I don't know, guys. Ask your questions here. This is the time and the place, but I can think of a few more.
We can get into some sneak peeks.
I definitely would like to go over our team strategy at some point. It doesn't have to be right away, but and kind of like even share what kind of, if it still holds true with us in this type of style of market too, which I do believe it, just for everyone to revisit it.
So we got crypto.com for US customers. Now, pretty sweet little app. And just a couple exchanges as well. So Safe Trade is one that I'm beta testing, Safe Trade 2.0. Setting up a safe node. It's running actually already. I'll be seeing returns in 3 days. It takes a week. for the collateral to take effect. But yeah, we got Binance trading, Safe Trade. Nice is a new exchange just coming out. It's still in beta, but we'll be setting up arbitrage trading. So it's trading from exchange to exchange for 3, 5, and 8% profits automatically moving forward too. So some exciting stuff for everybody. It's full disclosure.
David Kaufman asks, what is that? What do you mean, David?
Arbitrage trading?
Maybe. I don't know what he's maybe.
You tie directly into the...
First time I've seen that app. Oh, I think he's looking at your website there, Corey.
Oh.
That's Corey's personally branded website.
Yeah.
That's actually a really interesting tool that we've been using to just share more information on what Bitcoin and what it's all about, and motivate others to get into this industry. Yeah.
We got a little sneak peek into Simple Coaching Academy as well. So if you are interested in earning additional income, let us know.
Totes my goats. Yeah, for sure. If anyone has any more questions related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, we're definitely going to we want to get the questions kind of sorted out first, and then, yeah, we want you guys to ask questions. Is BTC going down to 7K or 5K?
What Marius was touching on earlier today is about a 20% drop. So we could see 8K. 7,800 is the strong resistance, so I mean, it could be a little bit underneath.
Yeah, and I know what maybe David's even thinking too. Like, since it is fairly rapid in the movement, sometimes you're like, well, if it's going to go down to there, is it going to go down to something way farther? But it does have these threshold limits where they call support and resistance. And it takes a lot of either resistance or a lot of support to break those areas. And resistance meaning like people selling, or support, people coming back into the market really fast like that, right? But that usually happens in waves, and they kind of jump up into different, almost like, what would you call them? Price brackets, I guess. I don't know the exact terminology, but they kind of move up in stages and move down in stages. So it's like very, very, it's not, they won't move like through 3 stages all at once unless something incredibly massive happens, so.
Well, you can see like support and resistance lines, right?
There you go.
Kind of thing. So this is where it blew right through, but it showed.
So when Marius is saying too, like even that bottom red line, like that's the next resistance down there, right? So that's where it's like it would have to break through that resistance and go down to even the next one yet, which is like down by 4,000, but it's not likely. It'll probably stay. Yeah, exactly.
So what he's calling is for it to break through down here, but then it's gonna,
catch that. Yeah.
We've got this is the 200-day moving average. So this 8K is massive support. I don't know if I don't think he even thinks Bitcoin is going to drop 20%. I think more so 15% in Bitcoin.
Right.
Some of the other altcoins for sure are supposed to drop 30%. Right? So I've parked probably 85%. I've been watching the markets closely, and it doesn't feel like, I don't have that gut feeling of things are going to go well, right? So usually my gut does pretty good. But yeah, the next 2-3 days, and then this 10th of September is when it's supposed to take off. That's the end of the, was it the 52-day cycle, 53-day cycle? 53-day cycle that Marius goes by. Oh, that's something else I wanted to cover tonight, guys. There's a bunch of new videos in the back office too. So Do not miss out. It's in the e-store here. So they've got all sorts. Introduction to crypto trading, psychology of trading, a lot of the key terms and terminology that we use. They go through different wallets. All the stuff is free, guys. So how to use the Binance exchange. As far as privacy exchange that we were talking about before, guys, we are working with directly with the CEO and founder of Safe Trade. So this is a new exchange that we'll be able to trade on. So the volume isn't quite as good as Binance, but they've got some very good projects here. So we'll be doing a lot more training videos on this exchange as well as different opportunities. If you guys want to make some additional passive income, this is something that will, like, safe nodes, it's master node. It's how it's called proof of stake. It's how Safe Trade verifies their transactions. So, well, they've got mining too, but easy way to make money in your sleep. That's one of the big things we want to show. Like, um, it's what keeps the lights on for us. Like affiliate commissions, right? It's not all fun and games. Like there's stuff going on behind the scenes that makes it worthwhile and makes it uh, possible for us to, do this, give this education, right? I've got, 27 different incomes from master nodes and mining through to trading, arbitrage, um, between exchanges, all sorts of fun stuff. So we're gonna really, categorize and have a step-by-step guide to each and every one of those. So if somebody is interested, then yeah, don't hesitate. We've got everything for you. So there's a new Safe Trade 2.0 coming out here, and we're just beta testing it, but it's a nice exchange. I like it. They do a really good job. So they've also got a mobile wallet that's pretty badass. Something else they have too. Wallet, exchange, safe coin, safe nodes. Yeah. More releases coming soon.
Mm-hmm.
Another Safe Trade launch. Safe Trade's been active for a couple of years. We're beta testing 2.0, so there's a badass referral program, and they've made a lot of improvements, but it'll be, yeah. I set up an account today, so over the next few weeks, Safe Trade 2.0 will be, everyone will be able to trade on, and it's privacy coin, right? So there's no KYC, there's none of that. Definitely highly intensive on the private keys. So you have all your private keys. But yeah, he's gonna be doing some guest appearances with us, doing some videos and stuff too. So they're pretty excited to work with us. What are other questions we had? Like exchanges was a big one. Binance. Alternatives. So we've got Safe Trade and Nice Coin is coming out. Nice exchange. I'm setting up arbitrage trading on that. So 5, 8, and, or 3, 5, and 8% brackets. So I don't know if you guys have noticed some of the big, you know, it's market manipulation, big swings on Bittrex and stuff where someone drives the price down by 15% or 20%. Get that big long line underneath the candle or above it. So you can get pretty good trades sometimes. Have those set up triggers automatically, so it'll trigger the trade, and then you just check it every a couple times a week. Pull the Bitcoin back and reinvest it. Easy money. And Coaching Academy will be pretty much ready in the next couple of weeks too. We can start diving into that if anyone's interested. Earning income online as well. What else we got, bro? Brother.
There was the new training videos inside of Python that might not be. They're definitely cool to check out for us and stuff like that. But definitely anyone else too wants to come in there. I don't know if we want to just even share a screen and show them that little piece, that new part of. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Bring it up.
So I was talking about earlier.
Oh, you talked about it earlier? Oh.
Yeah.
Did you show them?
Yeah. We can go through it again.
That's okay. Sorry, I'm not paying attention then that close.
We can double check just to make sure. But yeah. You can buy the advanced if you guys want, but these are all free, right? Psychology of trading, key trading terms. Your wallets.
And I checked out something cool. If someone sets up a free account, they can still see the free videos.
They can, eh?
They can, yes. So, you know, it's going to be a great resource for you guys too. Like if you do share your account, you know, it's free. Like the free account's just free to share, and then they can come in there and they can look at those videos as well and stuff. If you didn't want to have to introduce them to Simple right away or something like that, right? Just another avenue for you guys.
Dave, there's no referral links for Safe Trade right now. Safe Trade 2.0 will have referral links, so don't worry about that for Safe Trade right now. They've got some really good videos in here. Their trading strategy. Some of these I'm going to get for sure. RSI indicator is what I use for trading. So that's this guy here. Oversold or overbought is what it tells you. So that's where a lot of the times it's sitting, you know, way up here, 14,000. Like I pulled out way back right before that big drop. Then you buy back in. That was a good day. I sold Litecoin on the oversold. Look in here. We've got a really good trading opportunity coming up too, by the sounds of things. So I've got funds sitting in a voucher ready to buy as soon as we get this next little dip here. So they're expecting it to come down 8,500 maybe, 9K. If anyone wants to grab a sneak peek into the trading that we've got set up, you can use this link here. Just gonna double check it's the right one. Yeah, they're the new exchanges for everybody. So for you to check out. We're releasing lots more. But yeah, if nobody's got more questions, we'll close it for this week. I have another call Thursday for Coaching Academy. I do believe, Brody?
Oh, Thursday?
We're going to shoot for Thursday or next Thursday? When we're going to fire those lives up?
Thursday, yeah, I don't know. Thursday, that's when I record music and stuff like that. So I don't know. We'll work out something, but yeah.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
It's still being built, so another week probably wouldn't be the worst idea. But things are looking really good. Having some incredible partnership calls here, even today. So
yeah, if you like talk about incredible partnerships, the guy that Corey connected with, he's made over $2 million in a month with his efforts and stuff online. So he's definitely a good contact and definitely has good information for us to share with you guys and everything. So freaking super awesome person too. Boom.
Beautiful, guys. Well, yeah, have yourselves a great rest of your week. We will be launching lots to be changing here in September. So stay tuned. Definitely don't be shy. If you guys have any questions, hit us up. Like, we're always available. We're dedicating, an hour or two a day just to hopping on one-on-one calls with everyone. Make sure that, you're up to speed. And yeah, let's rock and roll. It's going to be a good month. So,